guys, today we're doing a wear test. We're trying out the Becca liquid foundation in the color tan. So here is the foundation after I've been wearing it for a couple of hours, but we're gonna rewind time real quick and jump right into it, and we'll see how I got this look. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a first impression and a wear test on this Becca Ever Matte Shine Proof Foundation. And I picked it up at, you guessed it, TJ Maxx, my favorite store. So I'm going to try this. It says it is an unmatched matte finish. This medium coverage foundation features a unique spherical polymer that absorbs oil so your complexion remains fresh and shine free throughout the day. Suitable for normal to oily skin. I guess I should have read that before I got it because I'm dry. Oh well, we'll try it out anyways. Directions: shake before use. And then it gives me the same stuff in like French, it looks like. So I am going to shake that up. I picked this up in the color tan. I felt like that tone matched me best. Now, I did open it up yesterday and take a look, and when it came out, I was like, whoa, that is dark. So I am really hoping, fingers crossed, that this works out for me. But first I'm going to prime my face, and I'm going to stay with the Becca theme today and use Becca's Backlight Priming Filter. Now, while I wait for that to set in, I'm going to go ahead and get this foundation, and I am going to put it directly onto my beauty blender. When I say beauty blender, it is not a beauty blender, it is a beauty sponge, but I keep calling it a beauty blender. Look at how, does that look that dark to you? To me, it looks really dark, but I have to tan for my psoriasis, so my skin is much darker, so might be okay. I feel like this matches my skin perfectly. It looked like it was gonna go on dark, but I haven't put anything on my neck, and I feel like there's no lines, and it's just absolutely seamless. Now, let's see. It is just medium coverage. I feel like there's still a little bit of redness over here, so I'm probably gonna go in with a second coat. Okay, I feel like this might be my new favorite foundation. It's gonna be interesting to see how it wears throughout the day, but oh my goodness, I don't see any of my texture that I always freak out about. It looks pretty smooth for being 37 years old. Like, yeah, you can see my pores, but those are pores, you know, it's never gonna be perfect. I feel like this has done exactly what I want it to do, and it looks like it is so matched to my skin tone that it's almost like I'm not wearing makeup. I don't even want to set this with powder, because when I put powder on, that is when everything goes to heck. Okay, next up for concealer, we've got the Tarte Shape Tape, and we're just gonna brighten up the center of our face. Okay, I went ahead and primed my eyes with the concealer because I will be doing my eye makeup, so that is why I put it all over the tops of my eyes, because it works just as fine as an eye primer as eye primer does. And I feel like it's a little bit less white than the NYX primer that I have, even though I like my NYX primer, it works perfectly fine. So since today is all about skin and foundation. I think I'm gonna play around with my contouring a little bit. I know I've mentioned before that I feel like I have a very large nose, so I'm going to attempt to diminish that by using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contouring palette. And the way I'm going to do that is by dipping my brush into this brown right here. And I'm going to go for my brow and draw a line where I want my nose, where I wish my nose would stop, like naturally. I'm gonna create a shadow where I think my nose should be, or I wish my nose should be. Like that. And then I'm going to add a highlight right in between it. With this banana color right here. And then I'm going to use this brush that I got from e.l.f. and I'm going to blend that out. So when done properly, it doesn't look dirty, it just looks like a shadow. And doesn't my nose look so much thinner now? So if I'm gonna contour, may as well keep on going. Now I'm going to go from the top of my ear. Doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna blend it out. This is going to make my face look a lot thinner. I go up and down and then side to side. See how it looks like I'm thinner there? Now, if you have like a little double chin where you want to make this look more profound, you can go right here underneath your jawbone. And then nice and chiseled. All right, that is, I guess I could go ahead for the sake of the video and put some on the top of my temple. It gives your forehead a little bit more 3D depth, but I don't really have any complaints of a hugely large forehead, so it doesn't make a huge difference to me whether or not I do this, but for the sake of the video, I'll go ahead and do it. Now, the one thing I do like is a nice pouty lip. And putting it right underneath your lip makes it look fuller. Looks like your lip's casting a shadow. So I am going to move on and do my eyes and lashes off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, everybody, here's the finished look. I have finished my eyes, I have finished my lashes, I have done my lips, I've done my blush, and I'm getting ready to go to work, and I'll be checking in with you guys to show you how it lasts. This is what it's looking like right now up close. And I am happy with this because this is, I don't see any fine lines or wrinkles. Yeah, you see a little bit of pores, but I am not perfect. I'm human. That is what is there. That is what I battle with every day. I feel like my psoriasis is completely hidden without looking flaky. Any of my dryness up in here is hidden without looking flaky. I don't have any dry patches. It's evenly matched. I cannot complain about this right now. So let's see how it wears throughout the day, and I'll check in with you guys later. Okay, so it is now 3:45. I put on my makeup about an hour and a half ago. So this is about an hour and a half into my foundation using the Becca foundation that we are reviewing today. I'm heading into work, so I will probably check in on my lunch break to see how it's holding up a few hours in and then again at the end of the night. But as of right now, it still looks just as good as whenever I first put it on. There's no creasing, no cracking. I feel like the color matches me perfectly, and other than my eye makeup, I wouldn't even be able to tell that I'm wearing any makeup because there's literally no extra cakey, powdery, fine line wrinkles. Like, I feel like sometimes makeup actually makes me look worse than rather than making me look better. So I'm really, really happy that I've actually found a foundation that matches my skin that so far makes it look natural. So I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. We'll see you later. Okay, so it's a little after midnight now, and this is me at the end of the night. So I've been wearing this makeup for about 10 hours, and you know, I don't feel like I get any other different results after wearing 10 hours of makeup for anything, so I still give this foundation a 2 thumbs up. I really like it. I'm going to continue using it, and yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll catch you guys later. Bye.